Hello and welcome to our look at the Wednesday, April 8th trading session. In front of you I have the economic calendar as per, and you can see that really there's only two major announcements coming out. The BOJ press conference going on about what their monetary policy is. You can assure yourself that it's going to be loose, so I don't know that that will move the market. However, what's going to be interesting is to see how the FOMC meeting minutes come out. We've had some poor jobs numbers out of the United States, as well as hints that perhaps the rate hikes will be coming later. So that could move the U.S. dollar and, by extension, the entire Forex world, not to mention stock markets. So could be a rather interesting session based on this one announcement by itself. Looking at the euro-dollar pair, you can see that we have fallen a bit during the session on Tuesday, but really at this point in time, that's not a surprise, shouldn't be a surprise, and this should continue to offer plenty of put buying opportunities. We'll have to see whether or not this turns into a little bit of an ascending triangle. In the meantime, if it does, that could be a sign that the buyers are starting to build up. So we'll have to see, but if we can break down below the 1.08 level, we feel that puts will drive this pair down to about 1.05. Looking at the silver market, you can see that we have fallen a bit during the session on Tuesday, as well as we continue to grind between 16.5 and 17. We expect more of the same. Really, at this point in time, anticipate short-term buying and selling, or puts and calls, to be the way to go between 17.50 and 16.50. Looking at the West Texas Intermediate crude oil, you can see that we have pulled back slightly during the session on Tuesday. It does look like we're trying to build up enough pressure to break out, though. Really, we need to take out the bullish candle from Monday in order to start selling again, which we do prefer doing because it is a longer-term downtrend. But you could make the argument that we are perhaps trying to end the downtrend at this point, so we'll have to see how this plays out. But really interesting here. 55, we get above there, we become buyers of calls. In the meantime, though, this isn't necessarily trade, but this is a market you will want to pay attention to. Below the range for Monday, we begin buying puts again. If we can get above 55, we buy calls, and this could be a long-term trend change. So with that, we've taken a look at the Wednesday, April 8th trading session.